We're going to be showing you what the UFO bay light's about, how you get it, unpack it, demonstrate in the evening hours of what it looks like. So let's show you what you get inside of this presentation. Indoor UFO bay lights. They hung up and they have a dimmer switch optional that leads to hook up to. We're going to unbox and show you what this light is about and how nicely it is packed. We move in the instruction guide and the bay light. It is made of metal, heavy, safety strap leash, AC cord, and more. Scissors to cut the tie wrap to hang the hook and the bolt that locks on. More than one LED light can be hung. To install the hook, simply place on the top and screw on. With an optional Phillips screwdriver, you're going to loosen up the bolt and retighten. Screw down and lock for safety. The CCT LED light has a variable switch, a module that opens up the door, and you're able to switch the different levels manually. We're going to take the light and lift it up to show you the different variable in the kelvins. We're going to turn the switch on, switch over to 1, the second, and the third. This is the cool light, and what we're going to do is go outside in a low-level light, show you how much light this throws. You need to set up light outside with its own power source, and we'll show you in the evening hours that you can hang out anywhere imaginable, outdoors, indoors, warehouses, and more. The ORRGENA is 200, 240, 300 watt with 3 levels of lighting with a dimmer wire hooked up to an optional dimmer. It has a hook which is a safety bolt and a safety leash with fins that cool off the unit. It measures 14 inches in diameter with a lot of lighting and the center plastic cap. That's 3,000 lumens, 110 volts. We're going to go hang this up, show you what it looks like in a dark area. You have a garage, a warehouse, a shed, indoor, outdoor, IP65 rated, and hang a pole over and lock down. For added protection, you take the leash, you hook it up, or you wrap around, like so. This way, if the screw or anything falls, you have added protection, like so. Take the AC, run it to your plug. The light can be turned on via the dimmer that we have. We could increase and decrease our brightness levels, as you see. If we go on top, we could adjust our switch from high down to the lowest. And this is what the LED light looks like. As we dim down some of the levels and increase some of the levels. And we'll shut off the main light so you get an idea of what it looks like. Very bright, 200, 240, 300 watts. We'll give a demonstration outside, holding it up, showing you what it looks like in the evening hours. Here we are, getting ready for the light to go on. As you can see how nice and bright it lights up the whole area and throws a nice beam. Looking down at the yard, you can see how well lit and nice and bright 3,000 watts shows. If you're looking for a UFO bay light, this may be something that you are after. in a product. I thank you for viewing.